I thought I'd get a break. I thought I'd get a break. But we have a lot of wind here lately. So, strong wind for a couple of days. I thought I'd finally get a break because I got my house paid off. But there I come home and my screen door is gone. It blew off. The wind blown so strong, it flipped over. It was laying over there, over that railing, hanging sideways over there, hanging on just by the bottom screws. I finally paid off my house and now I have to pay more for my house. Yes, I called the insurance, asked them if I could get that paid for. And they say because it is wind damage, not vandalism, my deductible is $4,500 for wind damage. Man, $4,500, I don't think a screen door is costing that much. If it were vandalism, the deductible would have been only $500. But because of the wind being a natural force, the deductible is $4,500. Nope. I was just lucky to have a little bit of money in my bank account. I called up the Omaha Door and Window Company to fix this. This is terrible. But that's what happens when the wind is blowing more than 25 miles an hour. And it was hanging over this railing, sideways down, hanging on by that little screw. Broken. If it isn't one thing, it's another. Home is damaged right after I paid it off. Oh well, got to get it fixed.